Hi, this is P.S. Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. An important announcement. So, coming to Mumbai after a long time, 17th and 18th of January 2026, my first workshop in 2026 will be in Mumbai. I think for a long time I have not been to Mumbai. So, in January, I will be coming definitely. Our Chennai workshop date 24 and 25. Those who are interested can look at the description for the contact numbers and can register. In the pre-market, I mentioned number one, for the last three trading sessions, Nifty closed below the opening level. Yesterday, somebody posted in social media, GIF Nifty is always very, very optimistic from 3:30 p.m., that is after our market close, until next day morning, 9 a.m. And then after that, the Nifty takes over. And last 1 hour selling, it was really very, very bad. So nobody expected. I think in the last 1 hour, the Nifty has fallen more than 150 points. Remember, yesterday also, the last 1 hour, the market fell. Probably, this one day action, we can just take it as a expiry related issue. We can write it off. And probably some people who wanted to reduce their exposure to ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, and probably what they would have done along the way, like if they're selling it in the cash market, the prices come down, they may not be able to get the price which they want. So probably they would have shorted in future, and today they would have done the reversal trade, which means that, they'll cover the short in the future market and then sell it in the cash market. By doing like this, so they will be able to get out of the big chunk of positions without any loss in the trading. So that is why I always say on expiry day, FII data, like if I'm not wrong, today the FII sell data must be a bigger one. Whether it's a big one, buy one or sell one, we have to just ignore. If you can remember last series, October series, on expiry day, and FIIs were net buyers for 10,000 crore. And what happened after that? After 1 month, Nifty is negative. And after a fantastic rally in the month of October, the November series ended with a negative note. The month to date or September, the entire November series, the Nifty is negative. Even in October, when the Nifty rallied nearly 1,500 points, it was led by only 5-6 stocks. The broader markets are still bleeding. Today, some observations. Number one, today selling is restricted to large cap stocks. So that's why I'm saying that, it may be due to expiry related issues. Look at the broader market. Next 50, mid cap, small cap, they all have done very well. That's number one. Number two, some sectors like pharma sector, after falling for 2-3 days, today is up. Real estate index, after falling for 5 days, today it is up. And because yesterday the RBI governor indicated that there is a room to cut the rates. So probably that is one of the reasons. But given so much of positive news, why the market has fallen, I think today's fall, we have to write it off. Maybe because of the expiry related issues. If the market continue to fall tomorrow, then definitely that is a reason to worry. Bulls were hoping that Nifty will cross all-time high in the month of November. So that has gone as a dream. And now the hope is there in the month of December. Of course, December, the 5-week series, it's a very, very long series. and full analysis we will do later. And today, yesterday also last 1 hour the market fell more than 100 point. Today also last 1 hour market fell more than 100 point. But despite that, look at the India VIX. India VIX has completely crashed. I think India VIX is down by 12%. And option premiums, say for example, for such a fall, look at that 25,000 put option in December series. So that did not shoot up. In fact, that is trading 1 rupee lower. Or even the 26,000 short straddle. It has gained about 80 points today. So that is a kind of a crash. So when the markets are falling, if VIX crashes like this, so that means, the downfall is not likely to continue aggressively. So that is the message. So today broader markets did well. And today, the beaten down sectors like real estate, pharmaceutical moved higher. And then India VIX collapsed by 12%. So all these indicate that probably what hangama has happened today is related to only expiry related. So other than that, market should recover. Usually when the expiry happens very badly like this, uniformly the first trading session of the new series, market should see some decent recovery. So by that logic, tomorrow market should recover at least 50, 100 points. So if not, it is time to be slightly bearish about the market. So the hope of all-time high may not happen, may not come through. So today there's nothing much to discuss, but like all we can say, today's jitterness is not likely to continue. That's number one. And after a long time, now in between I stopped trading in stock options. I used to trade only in index options. So I'm happy to announce that I made more than 1 crore just trading only in one stock. So that is MCX, Multi Commodity Exchange. So that is the potential of the market. But again, as you said, this is not what to say, to invite the people for selling options. Number one, stock options are very, very and high risky. You need a large capital. So although I made 1 crore, so like how much money I pumped in, probably I must have put more than 5 CR. I don't calculate exactly how much money I'm putting because, like I put my money in so many trades, some long-term trades, some short-term trades, some medium-term trades, some Nifty, some Bank Nifty, some Sensex, So, let us say I start with let us say 1 CR. If the trade goes well, then I leave it. But in case there is any, adjustments needed, I will stop trading in other instrument. I will bring the money here. So sometimes that can go even up to 5 CR also. But it doesn't mean that 5 CR was the capital allocated for that trade. Right? So anyway, January, I'm planning to do 2 workshops, one in Mumbai, one in Chennai. So those who are interested can contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. So I will explain in the workshop. So how do I choose a stock for trading and how do I trade? But unless you are a daredevil, you cannot do that. And that I can tell you. So anyway, so there's nothing much to discuss. A high volatile November series has come to an end with a negative note. So let us hope December we will touch all-time high, if not significantly moving higher than all-time high, but at least 26,300, 26,400, and all depends upon the US-India trade deal. So there's no need to talk about open interest, this and that. So let the open interest all built up tomorrow. Then we will discuss tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.